In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy page in Lovable AI. To do that, you first need to head over to your Lovable and then you can ask them to prompt to add a privacy policy page. So on this case, prompt something like create a privacy policy page. And then you can also add the specifics. Like for example, here are the specifics. And then proceed to list down the specifics per the actual privacy. You can list them down through bullet points and then just continue adding them. So Lovable AI will already fill the gaps between those particular specifics that you have intended. So in here, privacy policies are actually legally required if you collect any personal data such as names, emails, and payment information. So do take note of that as well. Then from there, just send the actual prompt to Lovable and it will create a privacy policy part just for your actual site. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.